So you've got your first drone and you're ready to take it to the next level? Let's talk about beginner-friendly modifications to elevate your flying experience. First up, propeller upgrades. Swapping out your stock propellers for quieter or more durable ones can improve flight performance and reduce noise. Look for carbon fiber options for added durability. Want to fly at night? LED light strips are an easy mod that not only looks cool but also makes your drone more visible in low light conditions. Just make sure to follow local regulations. For those on a budget, adding a lightweight action camera can unlock creative possibilities without spending big on a high-end drone. Attach it securely, and you're ready for epic shots. Landing gear extensions are another must-have for beginners. They protect your drone from rough landings, especially on uneven surfaces like grass or gravel. Finally, don't forget about controller mods. Custom joysticks or grips can make flying more comfortable and precise. With just a few simple modifications, your drone can go from basic to brilliant. Start small, experiment, and most importantly, fly safe. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more quick drone tips. See you in the skies.